It's almost lights out for Toys R Us, the troubled toy chain that so many of us grew up with. The chain's closing its last 200 stores this Friday, including several here in the tri-state. So we went inside to see what's left and see what parents think of the end of an era. Toys R Us kids, young and old, are walking into the chain's remaining stores this week to grab bargains.
They got toys for like 20 cents.
And like mom Christine Bowie, to grab a last look at a piece of American history.
It's just really, really sad. It's depressing. I feel bad for everyone.
Inside were empty shelves, mismatched products, and yellow caution tape everywhere. It was a post-apocalyptic world looking for a hero like Mad Max, or perhaps Skylanders, about the only action heroes still for sale here in the Kenwood store. If you have fond memories of shopping here with your kids over the years, seeing what's left on the shelves right now, well, it's really kind of sad.
There's not a whole lot left. I mean, it's scavenging.
It looks like a ghost place.
Gus Dudley picked up a few toys for his little boy, while a line of shoppers snapped up remaining toys at 60% off, clothing at 75% off, even office furniture. The baby register used by tens of thousands of new parents was dark and empty. No more newborns on the list. With so little merchandise left on the shelves, for a lot of parents, this was more about going in for some final memories and a chance to say goodbye. If you grew up a Toys R Us kid, then brought your children here for Barbies and Thomas trains, you too might be like Julie Castilla, emotional to see it go. Just kind of saying goodbye?
Yep. Yeah. Yep, goodbye to our childhood store.
Yeah, that is sad. As for the future, Party City plans to rent out some of the stores to use as Halloween and Christmas pop-up shops, but after that, Toys R Us stores will be just empty buildings and a memory for so many of us.